Hey guys, welcome back to Fred's Garage. What a sunny day, huh? Hey, well, this company sent me a sunshade to test out and make a little video. But it's a sunshade. What can I really tell you? So I tell you what, it does come in a really nice bag. Let's take it out, see what it looks like. It's actually not one of those cheap aluminum ones. This is a really nice sunshade. So let's put it in, see how she works, and go from there, huh? If you're interested in one of these sunshades, it'll be in the description box below, all right? So hit the link. Let's see what it looks like in the car. All right, so it comes in a nice little carry case, carry bag. It's black on the inside to blacken out the interior of your car. And it has this reflective lining on the front. Sturdy. So let's open her up. She unfolds nice. Fits nice. All you gotta do is tilt the window, tilt the mirror, get it under the mirror, tilt it back, and get out. That looks pretty good. Fits in there perfect. There's some little gaps on the corner, but it fits good and it allows me to keep my camera in there. All right, so to take it off, just lift the mirror, lift the visors, pull it down past the mirror, just fold it up. And put her back in her bag. Hey, what can I say? It's a sunshade. It even lets me keep the dash camera out, which is pretty good, so the dash camera still records. Well, that's that. It's a sunshade. What can I say? But as far as sunshades go, it's a really good quality one. If you're looking for one, it's in the description below. Hey, later in this week, I'm going to put a trailer hitch on the Bronco. So if you're interested in doing that, keep an eye out for that. But better than that, do me a favor and subscribe. Hit the notification button, the thumbs up button, leave a comment. And you guys have a great day.